Well, welcome to our channel, or welcome back if this is not your first time. But if this is your first time, please subscribe and click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any videos that we post. Thank you for clicking on this video. So as you can see, I already started on the other side of my head with a flat twist. Now this is something very new for me because I've always been a go hard, wash and go gal since the beginning of my back to natural journey. And that was back in 2011. So I decided to do something different. I've been rocking the wash and goes for so long now. So, and the few times that I did a twist out, they just really, it was like they just wasn't made for my particular hair. And I decided to do this flat twist with some perm rods. My daughter inspired me, my 16-year-old. And as you can see, I am using the products, excuse me, that came in the curl kit for March, which was the Nature's Protein coconut restore line, and which I'm using the moisture cream and the mousse. And as you can see here, I'm quite proud of myself for getting through this flat twist with the perm rods. I let my hair dry overnight, and this is the next day, and I am taking them down now to see how it turned out. So this is how it looks without me messing with it or doing anything to it yet. Okay, so here is my finished look. Well, I'm going to still play with it a little bit, and I really like it. I think I could wear this instead of my wash and goes because I just like the curly look. So I really like this. The products that I use, I showed you in the beginning of the video, actually has my hair feels really soft. It's not hard. So far so good. Here I'm showing you how I preserved my hair. Later that night, I proceeded to just retwist it. Also, I like to apologize. I don't mean to bore you with the slow, speed, fast, forward. For some reason, iMovie was messing up and I couldn't, I only put it on ×2. I was trying to speed it up like ×4, ×8, but it was not working. So please bear with me here. Okay, so this is the next day, and as you can see, it has a lot more stretch, and overall I liked it. I needed it to get a little bit bigger so I can put my pick in it and make it bigger if I want to. But thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't, just leave. Bye. Lord say the same. I'll see you in the next one, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.